Hey everyone, this is a stand-up conversation with a brilliant girl, Vidhi, and she will give the answer of my question. And I hope that she will do perfect. This is the first time she is coming on camera. This is your first time.
Yeah.
Okay, it may be possible that she will get nervous, but I hope that she will do excellent. Okay, we should start the conversation. First of all, I want to know from you, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you, sir. What's about you?
Okay. Everything is going on so good, and I am fine, and my family is also fine. Everyone is perfect. First of all, I want to know from you, what do you do?
Currently, I'm pursuing MBA along with my job, and recently I joined Vision Institute to improve my English.
Okay, that's great. I don't know the meaning of MBA. MBA chai wala I have listened. MBA kapde wala I have listened. MBA means I don't know the full form of MBA. I know this, but I want to know from you.
MBA full form is Master of Business Administration.
Okay, Master of Business Administration. Okay, I want to know the reason of your learning English. Why are you learning English? I want to know the reason.
I
What is the
want,
reason to come Vision Institute?
I want to learn English to improve my communication, and also it is helpful for my job uh, uh, and to get many opportunities.
Okay, what kind of opportunities do you want to crave in your future time?
uh, like I want to join a reputed company, so their way to the way of enter in company. So English is very important. So I
I want to know from you, how are you utilizing your time in 2026?
uh, I want
Say,
I
say.
I spend my time with my family,
Okay.
and also to learn English.
Are you watching videos on YouTube channel
Yeah, I watch so many videos
for improving your English?
for improving my English.
Okay, in this time, you are working in a medical college, Chirayu Medical College, as a private job. That's great.
Yeah.
You are doing a job, you are supporting to your family. But as far as I know, this is not a perfect job, because you are getting a salary of 15 to 20,000 rupees. It is enough for you. But after getting married, so you have to get about 30, 40, or 50,000 rupees. After that, you can easily manage your family. So what is your future planning? What do you want to do in your future, in your profession?
Uh, I want to I want to be HR manager in a reputed company. So first I should learn English.
What
That's
is HR manager?
HR manager means human resource manager.
Okay, human resource manager.
Yeah.
Okay. Will you
So
be happy for this job?
yeah.
Okay, it means your plan is completely confirmed. You want to become an HR manager. Okay, Vidhi, you are so smart girl. I am so immensely happy to see you in a good profession, and it is really a productive job. But of course, you should go for your HR manager job, because after getting this job, you will get a proper and perspective salary according to you, and you will easily run your family, and you will support to your sister as well. Okay, what do you want to say about those students, those people who do not study and who do not think about their future?
First of all, I think they should study, but they do not study. So there is no future, because today's study is compulsory to make
Our
people
future, yeah,
to make people
future bright.
future bright. They give uh, knowledge how to manage their families. First of all, I think they should study, but they do not study. So there is no future, because today's study is compulsory to make
Our
people
future, yeah, future bright.
future bright. They give knowledge how to manage their families.
Yeah, cool, absolutely right. What kind of happiness do you want to give to your family?
I want to uh, I want to make make
My parents proud.
make my parents proud, and give healthy and healthy and good life.
Okay. Okay, what are the things that motivates you a lot in your bad times?
my family is definitely motivating me, uh, especially my mom, because 2017 my death, my father was no more.
Okay.
So she worked very hard for us. So I want to try very hard.
Yes, of course, you will definitely do good in your life and you will shine after getting the job. And I pray to God, I really pray to God that you will get a good job in your future and you will give everything to your mother and definitely support your sister. Okay, when you feel depressed and disappointed, so with whom do you like to spend your time?
Uh, when I was depressed, so I talk with my families most of the time because they understand me and they make me feel happy and overcome my stress.
Okay, that's great. You have a supporting mother and supporting sister as well.
Yeah.
Whenever you need to go, so your sister always ready to go with you. That's great. I have seen you with her. Your sister is younger to you, but
Yeah.
still she is standing with you. I never seen a sister like her. Every time we need a person, but I have seen you with your sister every time. That is a great thing about you both because I know, as far as I know, your sister is your strong power
Yeah.
and she is also excellent and very brilliant. Okay, I will give you an opportunity to talk with her and of course she will try and she will do something good. Okay, did you like to spend your time alone or with your sister?
Both. Sometimes I spend my time with to be alone because for myself to improve my skills, and
Okay.
sometimes with my sister to
Okay, that's great about you. You have taken about 7 to 8 minutes in this conversation and you did very well. This is a great thing and it is very improving to you. I think you should do these kind of things regular and definitely it will give you massive opportunity in your future. I have seen these kind of things in my life. In 2012, 2013, we were so poor. My mother has to join a school as a peon because she was not so much educated, so she had to work in a school. But in this time, every school principal and director knows me, who is Sudhir Shivam sir. And sometimes, I am talking about the day, 26 March. 26, yeah, I think it is the day of yesterday. Teachers came to my home and they don't know me. Okay, some teachers know me. And my mother used to work in that school in 2013-14. So they came and they say, Bhabi, uh, you have such a good house, a big house. You have car and 4 bikes. How did it happen? My mother said it has only because of my child. He did very hard work, and now we have everything. And the same thing you will follow. I definitely sure about you, but you need consistent hard work. If you will follow your work, you will follow your regular task, you will definitely shine because it doesn't matter how our life is going. We should always positive, we should learn every day something new. Definitely we will achieve everything whatsoever we are thinking. Okay, thank you so much for giving your time and I am sure that you will definitely give the same time every day until you become perfect in the language. Okay, thank you.
thank you, sir, for giving me this
Okay,
opportunity.
okay, sure.